5 biggest advantages of Forex trading. Number 1. Forex is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. That gives you flexibility. You don't necessarily need to trade during traditional stock market hours. You can choose a session that fits your schedule, whether that's London, New York, or Asia. Number 2. Liquidity. Forex is an enormous global market. Global Forex trading averages around $9.6 trillion per day. High liquidity can mean tighter spreads and easier execution, especially on major currency pairs like Euro to USD. Number 3, you can trade both directions. Think Euro USD will rise, you go long. Think it will fall, you can go short. This means you don't have to wait for a bull market to look for trading opportunities. Number 4, you can keep your watch list relatively small. Instead of trying to follow thousands of stocks, you can focus on a few major currency pairs. The goal isn't to trade everything, it's to understand a small number of markets really well. And number 5, Forex gives you a direct connection to the global economy. Interest rates, inflation, employment data, and central bank decisions can all move currencies. Forex isn't just about reading charts. You are also learning how economies and interest rates affect financial markets. So those are 5 major advantages of Forex: flexibility, liquidity, two-way trading, focused markets, and strong connections to economic data. But remember, these advantages don't automatically make you profitable. Risk management still comes first. Thank you for watching.